Hello everyone and welcome to this Monzo Business Account review. Having the right banking tools can make all the difference. Monzo is a digital bank that offers innovative solutions for businesses with its Monzo Business Account. This review will delve into its features, pricing, pros and cons of Monzo Business to help you decide if it's the right fit for your business needs. Starting with account types. Monzo provides three main account types: Monzo Business Lite, which is free, the Monzo Business Pro, and the Monzo Business Team. Then you have pots, a feature allowing you to separate your money into different categories, useful for budgeting and saving. Then you have tax pots. This automatically sets aside a portion of your income for taxes, and this is available with the Pro and Team accounts. Invoicing and account integration. The Pro and Team account offer built-in invoicing and integration with accounting softwares like Xero, QuickBooks, and Free Agent. Virtual cards. This feature is available with the Pro and Team accounts. These can be used for employee expenses or specific business needs. Then you have the multi-user access. The Pro and Team account allow multiple users to manage the account. This is ideal for businesses with multiple directors or employees. Then you have 24/7 customer support, which is available via the app, providing assistance whenever you need it. And now to the pricing. So here's a breakdown of the pricing for each Monzo Business Account type. The Monzo Business Lite. This is free and it's ideal for businesses or startups. It includes basic banking features, but lacks advanced tools like invoicing and multi-user access. Then you have the Monzo Business Pro at £9 per month, offering additional features such as tax pots, invoicing, and integration with accounting software. It also includes access for up to 2 users. Then you have the Monzo Business Team, which is at £25 per month, and it includes all pro features plus expense cards, bulk payment, and access for up to 15 team members for limited companies. Do take note that cash deposits incur a £1 fee per deposit, and international ATM withdrawals outside the EEA include a 3% fee after the first $200 per month. And now to the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, you have a quick setup. Accounts can be opened on the same day, making it easy to start managing your business finances immediately. You have a free UK transfers, where electronic payments within the UK are free, thus reducing transaction costs. And we love the 24/7 support. The in-app customer support is available at all times, ensuring help is always accessible. FSCS protection. Deposits are protected up to £85,000, thus providing peace of mind for your business funds. On the flip side, there is no branch access. Monzo is digital only, meaning no physical branches for complex issues. Limited cash deposit options. Cash deposits incur a fee and have limits, which may not suit businesses handling large amounts of cash. It is not available for charities or partnerships. Monzo Business Accounts are only available to sole traders or limited companies. In conclusion, Monzo Business offers a digital, innovative banking solution, especially for small businesses and startups. While it has its limitations, such as no branch access and limited cash deposit options, the benefits are a quick setup, free UK transfers, and robust digital features, making it a compelling choice. Did you find this helpful? Do let us know in the comments if you'll be choosing Monzo, and thanks for watching.